Crazy, right? Okay, so if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm primarily a recipe video channel. But every once in a while, I like to sprinkle in, just sprinkle in a little bit of vlogging. And that's when I think it's important to show you that keto is a lifestyle. It's not just making like ketogenic muffins that you've been craving for the past 2 weeks. It is life. So we're vlogging today. Let's do this. Typically sleep in pretty late, but today's my day off, so getting up early, got a lot of stuff to do. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm going to show you what I eat on a typical day, and usually my day starts off by letting the dog out and thinking about my keto coffee that I'm about to have. You ready to eat? It's like a keto creamer. This one has cacao in it. This company gave me these creamers. They're pretty good. They just gave me a bunch of free ones, so I've been using these. Butter. Now, first thing in the morning, I'm pretty lazy, so I don't use a blender, which means all the fat comes to the top. You just gotta keep stirring, or just take that full big gulp of butter. Just stir and drink. It works. So that's breakfast. Let's go to the gym. So really the important thing is just to get that coffee first thing in the morning. Always have keto coffee. The gym that I'm going to is one of those old school types of gyms. Like, I'm talking rust on the weights, and nobody really goes to it, which is kind of why I love it. It's just a really cool gym. So that's where I'm headed right now. Generally speaking, right after I work out is when I go to eat. So let's go see where we're gonna go eat. I have no idea, but it's gonna be delicious. Let's do it. Cauliflower gratin is one. It's so tasty, and it's all you need is blue cheese and cauliflower. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. So pretty much I turn this cauliflower gratin into buffalo cauliflower. I'm gonna add some shallots that in there. Once everything browns and cooks a little bit, you add the blue cheese in, I add the hot sauce, and boom, done. I like my cauliflower to be a little bit undercooked, so it's still a little bit raw when I bite into it. Keep cooking it until you can break it apart with a fork. That's when it's technically done. This thing, I usually eat it in the pan, but for the sake of filming, here we go. Here's the bowl, delicious. All right, moving on to dinner. Let's go. I got a special plan. We're gonna catch a sunset on this beautiful little area right down the street within biking distance called Sunset Cliffs. So it's gonna be super chill, but I need dinner. So let me show you how to quickly make some cedar plank salmon. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be delicious. We're gonna do a little bit of lemon slices. You'll see, let me show you. was dinner?
So good.
Yeah, salmon was pretty bomb.
It's one of my favorites lately.
I'm gonna show you guys an awesome place where Sam and I like to go. Picked out a keto bottle of wine. Let me just show you, this place is awesome. Let's go. I'm gonna finish up the day with one of my favorite places to chill. Ooh, steep. Look at this blue cheese. That's intense. I got some crackers here, some meat and cheese. I don't know if you saw my other video. It's gonna be a really good keto cracker. We got some salami. This cheese, this has got truffles in it, black truffles. Wow, this is so good.
Cheers.
Next vlog that we do is gonna be a full day of eating where I'm eating Meatless Monday. I'm trying doing it once a week, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna chill out here, drink some wine, eat some cheese. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep it keto, stay healthy. Peace.